It's time for an oil change on the 13 Toyota Camry. Nice and blue. OEM Toyota filter. We got a tool from Motive Tools for removing said filter. And the wish-wash fluid, of course. I'm a little rusty, so cut me some slack, all right, Jack? We got a 2.5 liter gem of an engine. Come on. And we're gonna go for a completely mess-free oil change on her bud. Do not spill this. Focus, Tyler, damn it. Oh. Almost lost my cool there. Mother of... Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Little shimmy shake test. That checks out. Stance. And up she goes. That last lock. Oh, wait. Oh, she got it. Okay. I think she just needed a little break-in, bud. Fantastic. Here. Here. Arrow creeper. This angle of this dangle. Oh. Yeah, this is nice. We're on a lock. We're on a lock, okay? No one's gonna die. Oil. Ugh, that's not a 17. Are you a 15? Toyota. No, I knew it was a 14. That was a literal test with a side of maybe it's a, oh, maybe it's a 13. No, she's a 14. Little oil drain right here. And we got the magneto dingus. So let's get her going. Oh yeah. Come on out. Yeah, this thing's a little stiff. Yeah. But she works. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with this apparatus. Like what, like no one, that's more helpful than this thing. Anyway, completely mess free, zero oil on the fingers. You know what, I just hate it. Yeah. Oh, that smells like some 2012 magic, if you ask me. Drive shaft, and she needs nothing. Oh, maybe that. No, just a clippy. Well, let's see if we have that. Oh yeah, we do. Too big? Just right? Nope. Too big. Good thing we have a plethora. I know what she takes. One of these shiny bastards. Where'd you go? Woo! Careful there. Don't spill. We don't have any razzmatazz in the Sure Shot at the moment. However, we are setting up a apparatus to make that happen. And in the meantime, we got this right here. And she'll work really good. Let's get this situation going. Yeah. Doctor? Beautiful tool, by the way. This is precision cut aluminum, and you can actually replace this bit right here. See, these gloves are trash. Absolutely trash. Anyway, dingus, seals, filter. So that's garbage. Should probably recycle that, but don't worry, we'll do the right thing with that for sure. Let's get this out of there. swap into the gear wrench. Oh, this arrow creeper. This is the best creeper you can possibly buy, let me tell you. Oh, she's a snug fit. Oh, and she's coming out. Right, hold on, time out. We're supposed to drain it, right? No, we're not doing that. I think that's dumb. Or should we? Let me know in the comments. Oh wait, that's not gonna work. We're gonna snug her back down. Let's do it the right way. My word. Okay. Pivot. Everyone who said I'm gonna hate working with this lift, I think you're gonna eat your words after this video. Okay. This is torn. And we're gonna go with actual good gloves. Bison. I am unable to locate where to purchase those, but it's okay. Woo! Eh? Very close. Very close to spilling oil on the floor, but not close enough. Not this time, Toyota. Not this time. Dingus in the hole and push or something. I don't know. Why is that? Why is this a thing? That's what you want me to do? That's the purpose of that? Why? The filter's gotta come out. There's gonna be oil pouring out either way, bud? Okay, whatever. Time out. Total relaxation here. Smooth oil change for your butt. We're back, Jack. Do we have a crush washer, you ask? Yeah, we do. Where is said crush washer? She's on the pan, no? She is. Pocket scroogey here. We're just gonna give that a little love tap. Nope, yep. There she goes. Hey, get your ass in there. Been a minute. New washer for you, bud. Nice little trickle. Brother. Steel pantsin. And you guessed it, 30 foot-pounds. Nice, it's marked. I bet that's a over-torqued mark. Let's see. Nope. That's pretty good. Silly filter. I mean, what is this? What is the point of this? Does that take extreme force? Are we done with these, Toyota? Whoo! What a silly apparatus. Okay, you. And you. Yep. I don't understand the purpose of that apparatus. Yep. Let's see. I mean, I guess it saved me from having to pour out all. Oh, no, look at that. Still oil coming out. Come on. Just a smidge here, bud. No need to overdo it. Don't breathe that. What is this ominousness? Stop. Anyway. Okay. A little squeezy. Situate that right there. And, I mean, I must be doing this in a silly order, but it's all good. We'll give that a checky poo after we get the filter on there. That looks good. Decent. Stupid, but decent. Yep. Okay. New filter. For you, bud. Yeah. So this is, what, like 18 foot-pounds? That's what we call, in the TE garage, a snug down, or better yet, a gentle hug down. Yeah! 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 And that should do. Beautiful tool. And we're gonna snug this down the same way. Very gentle, metal threads, plastic. Well, I guess there's metal in there, but yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, tight, tight. A little bit more razzmatazz. It's like riding a bike, bud, we don't forget. Final spray down. All right, this one's a banger. Little spritz. No need to overdo the razzmatazz. Rotate. Pivot. Wow. Mess free, 0 oil on my hands. And let's inspect. Very nice. Tell you what, K-Tool X90E, I'm liking it. I don't know about y'all. Stay, wait. Yoda. There we are. Grab this dingus. And we'll grab this dingus. AMSOIL. Beautiful, beautiful oil. Look at that. 0 spills. Pocket Scrooge. Stay. We're aiming that the wrong way. This way. Yeah. There's no glug this way. Take you right to the danger zone. And we'll give that a minute here. And by a minute, I mean about 12 seconds. That's some gorgeous looking Earl buds. Okay. Yep. 4.6. Consolidate. Hit. Consolidation. 0 spills. Right, I didn't close the valve. All right, we're just gonna wing it. That's likely close. We're gonna check. So that's, yeah, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and yeah. A little bit of drippy poos. So, close the valve. Set you right up on there. And, nice thing about this funnel station, whoa, is she's just gonna drip, well, I guess she's gonna drip on the Forma funnels a little bit, but then it's gonna go into this oil drain with the anti-splash pad, okay? Again, foryoubud.com, 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 foryoubud.com. Almost done here. Take this cappucchingus off, a little wipe down, and we put this cappucchingus on. Start her up. Crack the garage door so I don't asphyxiate myself. And yeah, these gloves did not, oh, no, okay, they did rip. You know what, you just, there's really no gloves that are perfect, okay? Open yawn up, step up into here. Start you on up. And just listen to that baby purr. Oh, she's purring like a walrus. Very nice. I'd say this car's a gem. All right. Off. Little check for you. So wipe off the dippy stick, okay? And typically you wait, I don't know, 30 seconds, a minute before checking. Let the oil kind of settle down. Also note that I'm on a slight slope. So, I don't know. I guess I was at the dealership as well, so it don't matter. We should be good. So notice it's just under in the middle there. I don't know if y'all can see that. So there's 2 dots on the dipstick, okay? I filled it to spec, 4.6. The engine's not to temperature. I didn't quite let the oil fully settle down. It is between the 2 marks. That is exactly what the manufacturer wants, okay? Right in the middle. That's spec. Top, tippy top, when you're checking it just like this, that's a little over, although it's fine. Anywhere in between those 2 marks is acceptable, okay? So that's right in the middle, okay? We're happy with that. Simba. We're back, buds. We're back. We're back.